denominator. So 5 to the 10 and 9 3 the 27 means 5 to the 10, 9 to the 27. So our answer is 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2 is equals to 10 upon 27. Understood? Now the next example. Take fraction as it is downside 3 upon 7 divided by 5 1 upon 75 into this 10 means 1 upon 725.